Here's how to fix Valorant after disabling Vanguard quickly. Step 1. Reinstall Riot Vanguard. Press Windows plus S, type Apps, and open Apps and Features. Scroll down and locate Riot Vanguard. Click it and select Uninstall, then Confirm. After uninstalling, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, open Riot Client. Vanguard will automatically reinstall. Step 2. Restart VGC. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down to VGC, right-click it, and select Restart. If the service is not running, click Start. Vanguard must be running properly for Valorant to launch. Step 3. Launch Riot Client as administrator. Right-click Riot Client and select Run as administrator. Sign in if prompted, then launch Valorant. Running Riot Client as administrator ensures Vanguard and Valorant have the correct permissions to operate. After reinstalling Vanguard and launching Riot Client with administrator permissions, Valorant should work normally again. Subscribe for more professional Valorant fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.